guys, welcome back to our channel. Kiana is not here with me right now, but she will be. I am parked in her house, obviously. We are going to the beach today, and I am all ready. I am packed. I'm ready, obviously. But yeah, we're gonna have a great girls' day like we always do. I'm pretty sure we're going to Dana Point or Laguna. I don't know which beach we're going to. Not quoting myself on that, but we're gonna have a girls' day. It's gonna be fun. It's about 2:30-ish, I wanna say. Yeah, something like that. But yeah, I'll catch you up with you guys later on. What'd you do?
Me?
Yeah, you.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Stop, bro. We're more than bro. Stop.
Eating what?
We that chicken tofu, that's special stuff.
A ver, Moni, perrea. Where's your foot at?